Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Knock. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes, how are you today?
I'm happy.
Oh, today is the start of your Tet holiday, right?
Yeah.
Oh, is there, what are you gonna do today? What are you going to do tonight? Did you
Mm,
prepare delicious food? Is there gonna be a firework?
mm,
Uh, ay, what's this? Translate English. What are you going to do tonight? Is there fireworks?
mm, um,
Mm?
yes.
Yes. Oh, but you still you still eh, had the class tonight. I thought you're not going to attend the class, but you did. Because it's still early in Vietnam, right? It's still 8 p.m. Is it still 8 p.m.? Yeah. In the Philippines, it's already 9 p.m. in the Philippines. We are advanced for 1 hour here. That's why. So, Ngok, let's start. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So, what we're going to do tonight is we're going to review. This is what we did last time actually, but we haven't finished it. So, we're going to continue and then we're going to answer letter A again. Okay, let's do it again. Because last time you have a lot of, or wait for a while. Because last time I remember you have a lot of mistakes. So this time I am hoping that you can do it well. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's start with picture number one. The same, you're going to label the picture. Number one, what is number one?
Mm,
It's a kind of
mm,
store.
bookstore.
Bookstore. Yes, that's right. Next, number two.
Blue
Glue what?
stick.
Glue stick. Very good. Oh, wow. Three.
Hotel.
Huh?
Hotel.
Hotel. Very good. Four.
Pencil sharpener.
Pencil sharpener. Very good. Five.
Um,
D. What is that? D.
digital camera.
Okay, digital camera. Very good. And last, number six. Not last, number six. It's a kind of store again.
Toy store.
Toy store. Great job. Seven.
Pool.
Pool. Very good. Eight.
Water bottle.
Water bottle. Good job. Nine.
Rainy.
Rainy. Yes, it's a weather. Kind of weather. 10.
Digital TV.
Digital TV. Very good. 11.
Um,
Kind of weather also.
Stormy.
Stormy. Very good. And last, number 12. What is number 12?
Um,
I think I know this one. Wait, let's go back. Let's see. I am not sure also. I'm not sure. Is it not? It's not a poster, right? It's not a magazine. Ah, okay. What is that? Number
Folder.
one. Look at number one.
Folder.
Folder. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so number 12 is
Folder.
folder. What's happening? Okay. Folder. Good job, Ngok. You did it. Okay, wait for a while. Wait, 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 wait. Okay. So let's continue. Let's go to letters B. Activity letter B. We're going to talk about these topics, each number. So this is these are all the lessons that we talk about. Okay, so we're going to see if you still remember some other places. Okay, number one, look at number one. These are some places we go or places to go. What are the places that we or what are the places that you remember that we talked about? Oh, look at this. What do you think is this? It's a kind of store.
Bookstore.
Bookstore. What else? Aside from bookstore, the
Uh,
next, huh?
Oyster.
Toy store. Next,
Mm,
it's a kind of shop.
uh, coffee
Coffee.
shop.
Okay, what else? Aside from those, we talk of other places. Do you remember? I think we have
A
two.
flower shop.
Flower shop, yes. What else?
Mm,
Go while we're going up. Flower shop. Wherever. Look at that. Places. We already have bookstore, toy store, 1, 3,
mm,
1356. What is number two? What do you think is number
mm.
two?
The
What's number two? Hey, it's a kind of place where we buy some medicine. What do you call that? When we want to buy medicine, par
mm,
par
farmer, farmer. Mm,
pharmacy. Okay, what about number four, Ngok? Look at number four. What did you call a
hair
place where,
salon.
huh?
Hair salon.
Hair salon. Very good. Okay, so are these only the places? Oh, that's for lesson two. We still talk about more. Oh, aside from, Okay, look at picture number one, Ngok. Where do you think is that?
Um,
B,
mm,
beach.
beach.
Ah, second picture, where is that? Amu,
Amusement
amusement park.
park.
Amusement park.
Amusement
The third picture, where is that?
park.
Aquar,
Aquarium.
aquarium. Aquarium. Next. Fourth picture. We answered this one earlier.
Pool.
Pool. Okay, fourth picture. Mu, mu,
Mu-
muse,
Museum.
museum. And last picture.
Hotel.
Hotel. Okay, very good. That's it. Now we're going to go back again. Okay, so these are the places, huh? Let's just remove this one. Ah, why? What are those? Bookstore, pharmacy, toy store, flower shop, coffee shop. What else? Bookstore, toy store, flower shop, coffee shop, pharmacy. What's the last one?
Hair salon.
Huh? Hair salon. Okay, very good. So those are for the places to go. That's for number one, huh? Next, number two, let's talk about the weather. We only talk about the picture. Oh, five weather. Six. Okay, let's have number two. One, two. Number two, what are the weathers that we talk about?
Stormy.
Stormy. What else?
Windy.
Windy. Yes. Next.
Sunny.
Sunny. Next.
Rainy.
Rainy. Next. Two more.
Cloudy.
Huh? Cloudy? Yes, that's correct. Cloudy. And the last one, there's a
Um,
snow.
Snowy.
Snowy. Ano mo abot ng kadere? Dito ra. Okay. Okay, that's it for number two. Stormy, windy, sunny, rainy, cloudy, and snowy. Very good. Number three. Okay, now for number three, the school supplies. School supplies that oh my gosh, we talked. Oh, what are those?
Folder.
Folder. What else?
With the bottle.
Water bottle. Next.
Computer.
No. That's for technology. School supplies. Look at the
Um,
picture. What else can you see?
mm, Dictionary.
Dictionary. What else?
Dictionary.
Stapler.
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 Ca Calculator.
Calculator. More.
Mm,
I think we have to go up. Uh, let's go for number first. Not that one. This one. Okay, we have folder, water bottle, I, dictionary, stapler, fold lunch box. The missing one is lunch box, right? We have folder, lunch box, water bottle, dictionary, calculator, and stapler. Okay, for two. Okay. No, not that one. Okay, here. What else did we talk about aside from folder? We have
mm, magazine.
magazine. More.
Um,
Poster.
Poster.
What do you call, what's number four, Ngo? Look at number four.
Pencil.
Oh yeah,
Pencil.
pencil.
The pen.
Okay, pencil,
sharpener,
sharpener. Next, number 4. Look at number 4. What is that?
um,
Pen,
pen,
paintbrush. Number
paintbrush,
5. Oh, look at number 5. What do you call that?
glue stick,
Glue stick. Yes, that's right. And number 6.
no,
C.
scissor,
Scissors. Okay, good job. Can go back now. Where are we again? Okay, so we are here. We have folder, and then I'm gonna put it here. A little higher. Okay, that's for number 3. Now for okay, wait. These are for school supplies, the first one. For number 4, we call number 4 for art supplies. Okay?
okay,
School supplies, those are the folder, water bottle, dictionary, stapler, calculator, and lunchbox. And for the art supplies, those are the magazine, poster, pencil sharpener, paintbrush, glue stick, and scissors. Now we are finally technology for number 5. What are the technologies that we talk about? The one that you said,
laptop,
laptop.
laptop,
Next,
cell,
cell.
cell phone,
Cell phone, very good. More. Two more.
TV,
T. What kind of TV?
um,
The
digital TV,
digital TV. And last one,
digital camera,
digital camera. Oh, wow. There we go. So these are the words that we tackled for the whole lesson. Good job, Ngok. High five. High five. Very good. You did well. Okay, just wait for a little bit. Okay, so that's that. That's it. Now let's read. I think this is the last part. After this one, we can have our new topic. So I hope we can finish this and we still have more time so we can start the next lesson, the everybody app for next week. Next week. Okay, so let's read a story about Troy's Day. Okay, can you read Ngok slowly?
sorry. Yesterday it was sunny and hot. I was at the beach with my family. They we big hotel and aquarium. There was an amusement park too. It was fun.
It was fun. Okay, Ngok, can you please read this word again? What is
Beach.
this? Beach. Okay, very good. So look at the picture, Ngok. This is Troy. And we are talking about Troy's Day. Okay, so this is Troy. And then yesterday in their place, it was sunny. It was sunny. And if it is sunny, of course, it will be hot, right?
Yeah.
Uh, if it is sunny, do you think it will be cold? No, right? If it is sunny, it means it's hot. So he was at the beach with his family. And at the beach, there were big hotels. Wow. There were big hotels and there were also an aquarium. Wow. And after that, there was aside from big hotels and aquarium, there were also amusement parks. So they had a great fun. They had a great time. They had fun going at the beach. Now, let's go and let's proceed with our activity letter B. So let's answer the questions here and then circle your answer. Okay? Okay, let's read. Let's start with number 1. Ngok, how was the weather yesterday? Circle. How was the weather? It was. Okay, it was sunny. That's the weather yesterday. Okay, number two. Where was Troy? Where was Troy? Okay, they were at the
Beach.
they were at the beach. Okay, very good. Number three. Were they cold? Were they cold? No, they weren't. Number four. Was there an aquarium? Yeah, okay, let's go back, ha, Ngok. Let's read it again, and then you have to read the answer in a complete sentence. Number one, Ngok, how was the weather yesterday?
It was fun. It was sunny.
Okay, where was Troy?
Um, they were at the
Where?
beach. They
Okay,
were at the beach.
okay, very good. They were at the beach. Number three, were they cold?
No, they weren't.
Okay. Number four, was there an aquarium?
Yes, they were.
Yes, there was. Again?
There, there was.
Okay, very good. Yes, there was. There was an aquarium. Very good. Okay, that's it. Now let's continue. And this time, what are we gonna do here? Okay. You're just going to put numbers. I know. You're going to guess the picture and then describe it. What words that we talk about can you see in those pictures? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have picture number one. What do you think is happening in picture number one? Or what do you
It's
think is the
wind.
weather?
It's windy.
Windy. Yes, in picture number one, it's super windy. Okay, picture number two. What can you see?
It's stapler and
Stapler and
and dic dictionary
dictionary.
dictionary
Dictionary. You
dictionary
you read it like this, Ngok. Dick, half,
dic
dick,
dictionary
show, nary. Dictionary.
dictionary
Ah, that's how you read it, huh? Dic-
dictionary.
yes, very good. Dictionary. Okay, that's great. Number, no, not number. Third picture. What can you see in the third picture? It's not a
Mm,
cell phone. What do you call that one?
is phone.
Ah, phone. Yes, that's right. Phone or telephone.
Tel-
Phone or telephone. Okay, very good. Fourth picture. What can you see?
mm, is flower
Flower.
shop.
Flower shop. Very good. Got it right. Okay. Fourth picture. No, fifth picture. Fifth picture. What do you think you can see in the fifth picture?
Mm,
What do you call that? There were blank on the desk. What do you
mm,
call that? Pa
pen, pen,
paint what?
pen,
Again?
pen,
Louder. Paint,
pen,
paint brush. Okay, so since we can see more than one, we can see one, two, three, we can call it paint
pen.
brushes
Yeah.
or just paintbrush. Oh, very good. Okay, we're almost done. Look at this. Where do you think is that?
I know.
Where?
Mm, is there no.
Do you know?
Is it department store?
Department store, yes. But you know what? Department store is not on this lesson actually. We already talked about department store on the first part. I think first part of our of this material, lesson material. But you still remember. Very good. Yes, this
Mm,
is the department store. Great job. Give me a high five. High five. Very good, Ngok. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, so I think that's it for this one. We're finished. Yeah. Syllables, things to eat, carrot, onion. Oh, for lesson one, these are what we talked about for the things we eat. You can see it here. Gum, popcorn, peanuts. Do you still remember those words? Chocolate, potato chips. Lesson 2, we talk about carrot, onion, pepper, cabbage. Lesson 3, just try it, functional conversation. Lesson 4, omelette, smoothie, fruit salad, milkshake, right?
yeah,
For Unit 2, around town. For Unit 2, we talk about park, movie theater, supermarket, post office. Lesson 2, shop, watch a movie. These are the things to do because this one places to go, things to do, shop, watch a movie, borrow books, mail letters. Lesson 3, we had a functional conversation again. And for lesson 4, we talk about activities, color, cut, glue, fold. Ah. For unit 3, we talk about people in town, like their occupation, their works, their job, like cashier, librarian, postal worker, salesperson, server, vet. Do you still remember?
yeah,
Uh, for lesson 2, we what people do in that kind of place, make food, sell things, help sick animals for vet, make food for server, sell things for salesperson, help sick animals for vet, drive buses, bus driver, right? Fly planes, pilot, fight fires, firefighters. Oh, I think that's it. So next week, Ngok, or if you're not gonna be having class next week, we can have it next week. Our new lesson. I think that's it for tonight. Thank you so much, Ngok. Have a good night. Thank you.
bye bye, teacher.
Bye bye.
Bye.